Welcome again to Design with LEESI. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the CapCut watermark at the end of your video. So we are going to do this in two ways. In the final part of this video, I will show you the second method of doing this, which is the most effective method of removing this CapCut watermark on your video. So at first, when you create a new project, so if you should click on new project, let's try this. Click on new project and pick any project, any video or any image of your choice. So if I should choose this if I should select this video and add to my timeline, you are going to see at the end of this video, you can see the CapCut watermark here. Okay, so the first method of doing this is to select the CapCut watermark clip. This is the clip. So the first method is to select this clip like this. Just select it. It's going to be highlighted. Okay, so when it's highlighted, you go down here, you can see the delete icon here. Okay, you can delete that. Okay, but the downside of passing through this method is that every new project you create is going to be the ending part, the CapCut watermark is going to be added at the ending part of your video. So to get rid of that, what you are going to do is to use this second method that I'm going to show you. So this second method, this is how you are going to do. So when you open up your CapCut, you are just going to click on the setting here, tap on the setting. When you tap on the setting, at this place you are going to see add default ending. So at first, if you haven't turned this up, at first you are going to see add default ending turned on. So you can see it is turned on here. Okay, so what you are going to do is to tap on this toggle button to toggle it off. So if I should tap on that, they say discard keep. Okay, so I'm going to toggle it up. I'm going to discard that. All right, so you can see now it is turned off. Okay, that is turned off. So if I should go and add a new project, you will see that it's not going to be there. So if I tap on new project and select any audio of my choice or any video of my choice, if you scroll to the last part, you can see it's not going to be added there. There's no CapCut watermark. So this is the simplest way of getting rid of the CapCut watermark from your video. All right, so if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop valuable videos like this. Okay, do not forget to like this video and comment down in the comment section any kind of video you want me to create for you. I will see you in my next video.